in our group, our young people, they are trained to be international ambassadors, not just for Tobago. So they entertain locally and internationally. So for the Tobago landscape, they are well groomed for cultural performances. And it is a performing company. So it's not just dance. We dance, we sing, we do drama, we do drumming. So it's a total cultural development within Rhythmic Vibrations. It is very important for youths to be involved in the culture of their country, especially when you have to transfer that knowledge because they learn from the older heads. The older heads are able to teach the traditions and all the different ways what culture used to be and the different forms and fashions and it is important to really teach the young ones so it can live on.